do some stuff real fast. And then I gotta go eat. The whole clutch assembly has to come off when we pull this side cover off. But for now, we can use it to rotate the motor. And I don't know how the... This better not bolt to that. I mean, we'll figure it out. Maybe I'm overthinking this. I don't know. I don't think so, though. I don't know what this ring is for. Looks like it's bolted to this clutch basket. I think I can get this off. But it looks like, I don't know. I never messed with it before, but we can mess with it now. So I need a bag. Now then, this should come off. Looks like it's stuck on this clutch rod. Got it. Got it. It slides into a bearing right here. This is where your oil leak is coming from. These two little rubber O-rings right here. Gonna need an impact gun. And it's lefty-loosey. I don't think it's coming out. Not without taking this ring off. I guess the ring is to provide some sort of stability to the outside of the drum. 17mm Allen. It's supposed to be. It is. Now on the other one, didn't take much. I just held it with my hand and gave it some twists like this. spot. Hold on. So there's a washer in here inside this thing. Don't lose it. It's kind of like a lock washer. And then this should come off. Oh yeah, see, it's not gonna come off because of the stupid thing. There's a rubber O-ring right here too. That goes in here. It's got to be Loctited or some shit. Probably gonna have to hit it with a torch. That's a 45-degree twist on that. Whoa, it just sparked. That means it's gonna strip. Yep. Probably gonna get ground off and replaced. I don't want to put a torch to that. Let me see. Wow. This is an aftermarket. See, it says Nichols Manufacturing. Oh, it's got a phone number. Interesting. Cool. We can just call them on the phone then. Ah, don't lose that. I need another bag. Okay, so to get this off, it's just these bolts right here. And those were 14s, I think. Why are these out of order? Who did that? Oh, they're in order. Or 13s. Where's Big Dog? Big Dog's over here. Now, wrong. Where's my Big Dog reducer? Here. On the other one, the backup motor, these things had like 10 pounds of Loctite on them. No, we're good. So the camera went blank, but all I did was pull those bolts out, and now I'm staring at this. I don't know how I'm gonna get those out. Heat. There ain't much left of them. But anyway, so took these bolts out. There was some Loctite on, I want to say every other one. 4 out of the 8. Yeah, look, every other one had Loctite on it. The rest of them got oily goop. So this will just pull off with a little bit of, it's sitting on there. This will just pull off. Yeah, this will just pull off. It's on a it's on a little bearing rider thingy. So there's a big seal here, and then a smaller seal here. So this shaft spins inside of that, and then the whole thing spins right here. So this is your gears. This is your, I don't know, your motor part. There's a lot of schmutz in there. Oh, this is light as fuck. Wow. That's why. This thing is, I don't know. I don't know what it's made out of. Aluminum, maybe? So maybe it's not rusted. Maybe it is just Loctite. Wow, that is really light. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna set this clutch pack inside of it without dropping everything. Come here. And then the bolts, and then this ring. Squish out the air. Set it over here. A little bit of wetness over there too. I mean, it's to be expected, I guess. This motorcycle appears to have been regularly abused. Not all by me. I'm gonna leave this cover on for now. I don't know, do I want to pull it right now? It's only a couple bolts. Comes off pretty easy. That'll expose the guts, but also subject them to dirt when I'm cleaning. So there you go. I'm gonna leave it on for now, and then I'll clean, and then we'll take it off afterwards.